Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error ps1 cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on the system. So you may be getting this error in your Visual Studio Code terminal or any other IDE's terminal or console. So the solution is going to be so simple. You're just going to run this simple command in your terminal, which is set execution policy remote signed scope current user. So just pause the video and type this out, and be careful with the smaller and uppercase letters over here. So I will just quickly copy this, and in my terminal I'll just paste it and hit enter. That's it. And now if I run the exact same command, I was getting this error when I'm trying to create a new React app. So if I just run the exact same command, and this time here you can see I am not getting any errors, and the code has been executed successfully and download has started. So that's the solution, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming, CRUD operations, Node.js, Spring Boot, MySQL, MongoDB, OpenAI API, Gemini AI API, as well as other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.